ultimately, Microsoft Azure cloud services growth is slowing while capital expenditures are going up. So Azure's cloud services saw 29% top line growth, 8% contribution specifically from artificial intelligence. That was up from a 7% contribution from AI in the prior quarter. But this is a quarter where, one, you don't miss estimates, the street punishes you, but also we know that it's about the money machine, right? Investors look very closely at the money going in on AI, investment into infrastructure. For Microsoft, there was a significant jump there. They're finding it hard to see the money coming out. And although there were some more specific data points on the earnings call, Satya Nadella saying there are 60,000 Azure AI customers specifically. That's a 60% jump year on year in that customer base. The number of Copilot users doubled in the quarter, for example. But it seems like what investors wanted was just a dollar figure. Help us understand the revenue directly coming from AI. It was also interesting to note that sort of regionally, Europe saw weaker than expected growth for Azure. And Activision, the video games company that Microsoft acquired at the end of last year, contributed overall to top-line growth 3%. I thought that was interesting. Another big story that happened during all of that was Bloomberg reporting, according to sources, that Intel's prepping to lay off thousands of staff this week as part of an effort to cut costs so it can get refocused on its foundry business and kind of respond to what have been pretty weak earnings. The announcement could come soon. We'll bring you more on that story as we get it. But of course, Intel due to report earnings on Wednesday after the US market close. Ed Ludlow for Bloomberg News in New York City.